Hey Don, it's Javon over at Parkway. I just wanted to quickly show you the climate control system that you inquired about on the 2014 Ford Mustang. Okay, so down here in the center console, we're gonna have our climate control system. We're gonna go ahead and turn that on. And our windshield defrost just turned on. You wanna turn this on in the morning so you can maximize your windshield visibility. And then this is the rear defrost. The rear defrost has a heating element that's placed on top of the glass to maximize the visibility as well. Now we're gonna turn those off, and you see how this one just lit up? That's gonna be your air vents here and down at the footwell. We're gonna put, right now it's just a fan recirculating, so we're gonna put AC to turn that compressor on, and then we're gonna put a cabin recirculating so that we don't take in that nasty outside air. And then if we just put max AC, it'll just feed it through these vents and you'll get cold air. Of course, this is your fan speed, and this is your temperature.